Let's move to the exercise 3.1. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6? Here he gave some numbers and we have to check whether the number is divisible by 2, 3 and by 6. First, let's check whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. See, divisible by 2. Okay, see, what is the divisibility rule of 2? If the number has 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in its ones place, then the number is divisible by 2. What we have to do? We have to check the ones place or ones digit of each number, and we have to conclude whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Here in the first number, the first ones place is 9. The digit in the ones place is 9. 9 is not divisible by 2. So, no. What are the numbers should we have in the ones place? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. We have to have these numbers to divisible by 2. Okay. While coming to the second, here ones place digit is 2. So this is divisible by 2. While coming to the third one, ones place 2. So this is also divisible by 2. While coming to the fourth one, the ones place 4. So this is also divisible by 4. In fifth one, 3, 1, 2, 7, 2, 9. In ones place it have 9. So this number is not divisible by 2. No. Sixth, in ones place we have 2. So this number is divisible by 2. So yes. Here in ones place we have 5. So this number is not divisible by 2. So no. While eighth one, the ones place we have 2. So this number is divisible by 2. Yes. See, we have checked whether the number is divisible by 2 or not, and 2 is completed. Now let's go for 3. We have to check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. See, what is the divisibility rule of 3? If the sum of the digits are divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So what we have to do? We have to add each digit. We have to add each digit of the number, and if the answer is divisible by 3, then the total number is also divisible by 3. So what we have to first do? First we have to find the sum of the digits. So sum of digits. Sum of the digits. Okay, sum of the digits. Here in first number, what are the digits? 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9. See, these are the digits in the first number, and we are finding the sum of the digits. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 7 is 8. 2 plus 9 is 11. Okay. 11 plus 8 is 19. 19 plus 5 is 24. So sum of digits is 24. See, 24 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. So divisible by 3. Okay, divisible by 3. First number is divisible by 3. So yes. Okay, we move to the second one. We have to find the sum of the digits. So 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, here 1 plus 9 is 10. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. See, 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 5 is 24. 24. See, 24 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. So yes. Now let's move to third. We have to find the sum of the digits first. So 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, 9 plus 7 is 16, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, 16 plus 3 is 19, 19 plus 5 is 24. So 24. 24 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. So yes. Now fourth one, sum of the digits. So 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4. Okay, 7 plus 1 is 8, 9 plus 0 is 9, 1 plus 9 is 9, 4. Okay, 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay, now 9 plus 4 is 13. Now 17 plus 13. What is 17 plus 13? 17 plus 13. 7 plus 3, 10, 30. So 30. Okay, 30. Whether 30 is divisible by 3? Yes, 30 is divisible by 3. 3 times are 30. So this number is also divisible by 3. So yes. Okay, now fifth problem, sum of the digits. 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9. Okay, here 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, 11 plus 9 is 20, 20 plus 4 is 24. See, 24 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. So yes. Now we move to the sixth problem, sum of the digits. So 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2. See here, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. See, whether 20 is divisible by 3? No, 20 is not divisible by 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. So no. Okay, now seventh one, we have to find the sum of the digits. So 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 7. See, 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. See, 15 is divisible by 3? Yes. 15 is divisible by 3. So, this number is also divisible by 3. Yes. Now, we move to the last one. Sum of the digits. We have to find the sum of the digits. So 7 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2. See, 7 plus 2 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 2 is 7. See, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 7. See, 18 plus 7. 18 plus 7. Okay. 8 plus 7 is 15. 25. So the answer is 25. Okay. See, whether 25 is divisible by 3? No, 25 is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. So no. Okay, here we have checked whether the number is divisible by 2, and we have checked whether the number is divisible by 3 also. Now we have to check whether the number is divisible by 6 or not. So divisible by 6. Okay, what is the divisibility rule of 6? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. So we have to check whether the number is divisible by 2 and we have to check whether the number is divisible by 3. And if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Okay, see, in the first one, the number is not divisible by 2, so but divisible by 3. So this is not divisible by 6 because it is not divisible by 2. While coming to the second one, here second number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. And third one, the number is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 6. Okay, now coming to the fourth one, it is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 6. While coming to the fifth one, this number is not divisible by 2 but divisible by 3. Here the number is not divisible by 2, so this is also not divisible by 6. Okay, while coming to the sixth one, here this number is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. Okay, while seventh one, this number is not divisible by 2 but it is divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. While coming to the last problem, it is divisible by 2 but it is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. We have checked whether the number is divisible by 2, whether the number is divisible by 3 and whether the number is divisible by 6. Okay, with this our first problem is completed. Now let's move to the second problem of exercise 3.1. Determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 and by 10. Here he gave some numbers and we have to check which numbers are divisible by 5 and which numbers are divisible by 10. And here check whether the numbers are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and 5. Here we will find out the numbers which are divisible by 5 and 10. We have to check whether the numbers which are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 5 and 2. See, first what are the given numbers? What are the given numbers? 25, 125, 1250, 10205, 70985 and 45880. 45880. Now we should check whether it is divisible by 5 or not. First, divisible by 5. See, what is the divisibility rule of 5? Whether if the number has 0 or 5 in its ones place, then the number is divisible by 5. What we have to do? We have to check the ones place of the number. If in ones place the number has 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. See, here 25 in ones place we have 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Here 125. Here in ones place we have 5. So this number also divisible by 5. Here we have 0 in ones place. So this number also divisible by 5. Here in this number in ones place we have 5. So this number also divisible by 5. While coming to this number, here in ones place we have 5. So it is divisible by 5. So yes. Here in the last one, in ones place we have 0. So this number also divisible by 5. So yes. See here, given all numbers are divisible by 5. Okay, here we have checked whether the number is divisible by 5 or not. Now we should check whether the number is divisible by 10. So divisible by 10. Okay, divisible by 10. See here, in ones place we have 5. Here divisible by 10. What is the divisibility rule of 10? Whether if the number has 0 in its ones place, then the number is divisible by 10. What we have to do? We have to check the first ones place of the number. In ones place, if it has 0, then the number is divisible by 10. See, in this first one we have 5 in ones place. There is no 0, we have 5. So this number is not divisible by 10. So no. Okay, in second one also we have 5 in ones place. So second number is also not divisible by 10. In third one, here in ones place we have 0. So this number is divisible by 5. So yes. Okay, here in the next one, in ones place we have 5. So this number is not divisible by 10. So no. Okay, here in ones place we have 5. So this number also not divisible by 10. While coming to the last one, in ones place we have 0. So this number is divisible by 10. So yes. Yes. Okay, here we have checked the divisibility of 5 and whether the number is divisible by 10 or not. Completed. Now next he gave, check whether the numbers are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and 5. Here what are the numbers divisible by 10? Here 1250 is divisible by 10 and last 45880 is divisible by 10. There are two numbers which are divisible by 10. Okay, here he asked the numbers which are divisible with 10 are also divisible by with 2 and 5. We have to check whether the two numbers are also divisible by 2 and 5. First, let's check 5. See here, this number is divisible by 5. See. So this is divisible by 5. While coming to the last, this is divisible by 10 and this is divisible by 5 also. Okay, see, all the numbers which are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 5. Okay, now let's check whether the numbers are divisible with 2 or not. Divisible by 2. Okay, see, we have to check only two numbers, right? Here, third one, what is the divisibility rule of 2? In ones place, it should have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here, we have 0 in ones place. So, this number is divisible by 2. So, yes. While coming to the last, here also we have 0 in its ones place. So, this number is also divisible by 2. So, yes. See here, we can conclude that all the numbers which are divisible with 10 are also divisible by 2 and 5. Okay. With this, we have completed our second problem. Now, we move to the third problem. Fill the table using divisibility test for 3 and 9. Here, he gave a table and we have to fill the table using divisibility rules of 3 and 9. See, what is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. What is divisibility rule of 9? If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Let's find out the sum of the digits. See, here the number is 72. We have to find the sum of the digits, means 7 plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 2 is 9. See, 9 is divisible by 3 and 9 is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 3 and 9. So yes, yes. Okay. Now second one, 197. Sum of the digits. So 1 plus 9 plus 7. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. See, 17. 17 is not divisible by 3 and not divisible by 9. So this number is also not divisible by 3 and not divisible by 9. Okay. Here next 4, 6, 8, 9. We have to find the sum of the digits. So 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9. Okay. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 8 is 27. Okay. See, this number is divisible by 3. 27 is divisible by 3 and 27 is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 3 and 4, 6, 8, 9 is also divisible by 9. Okay. Here last he is already solved. Now last but one. See, 7, 9, 8, 7, 5. We have to find the sum of the digits in the number. So 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. Okay. See, 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. Now 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus here 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 16 is 36. So sum of the digits is 36. See, 36 is divisible by 3. 36 is also divisible by 9. So 79875 is divisible by 3 and it is divisible by 9. Okay, these are the answer. We have filled the table using divisibility test of 3 and 9.